I'm Helen Gagley. I am here at Turlington Elementary with my practicum students. I have 16 students from Waller High School that come out to Turlington 4 days a week for about an hour, and they get the wonderful opportunity to work with some of the best teachers in the district, job shadowing, and just learning all about the teaching profession.
Hi, I'm Cameron Talent, and I'm in practicum education and training for Miss Gagley's class. And basically, like 4 days of the week, we're here at Turlington. And last year I did first and second grade with Miss Migna and Miss Thamer, and then this year I'm in special needs pre-K with Bo. And say hi. No, okay. And so I'm just with them 4 days a week, and then on Fridays we kind of just do stuff that like teachers need help with. So printing papers, cutting out stuff. It's super fun, and if you want to be a teacher, I definitely recommend it. Or if you're not even sure if that's what you want to do, because you're definitely getting the real feel of what it's like to be in a classroom 24/7. And even though I'm only in here for an hour a day, it's still hands-on work, and every day I love it, and it's super fun. It goes by super quick.
Hi, I'm Andrea, and I'm working at Turlington as a student teacher, and I work with Miss Adams. Right now we're working with letters and letter sounds. So we're making rainbow arcs and using letter sounds to remember where each letter goes, and reading picture books that have each letter. So I do plan on being a teacher, and as a future teacher, this is a good experience for you because you get to learn a lot about how a teacher's lives work. It's not just sit down and teach. You have to be able to work with each type of kid, each type of student.